Dude, hold on, that actually really stings, bro.
Yeah, of course it does. This is 90% alcohol.
But you're not going easy on this.
Mister, yes, I'm barely touching it.
They're open
Mister,
wounds.
wait a minute. Wait till I start digging in. This is nothing yet. I'm just cleansing it. I haven't even gone in there yet. And he's like,
Hey, but can you at least promise you're gonna be gentle? You know what I'm saying?
oh, promise you'll be gentle. He says, promise you'll be.
Okay.
Yes, honey. I'll use Vaseline. Don't worry,
hold
but
on.
first we're gonna get this out of your foot.
What up, guys?
Wait, did you pronounce it Jan or Jean?
Jan.
Oh, Jan. We got Jan in the camera, and we are in Mozambique. E vai ser dia muito bonito.
It was insane, bro. Check it out, one and on. It's like, why?
Part of the swell will sort of pick up and get hollow and go over the end of the reef. So yeah, if you time it right, you literally take a few strokes and run it back line.
Okay. I think you're like, give me a permanent score now.
Stay here, girls. I want you to listen to him whining.
No, it's okay.
Or if you stay here, you won't whine so much. Your body's not you. You are spirit. Okay? You're pure light energy. It's eternal. This is just a little fucking tool you're using. Okay?
Right.
Get out of it. Okay. So they're doing it something. I do it 13 times. Might be a little dizzy, but so do it. Do as many times. Just do it. You're not gonna do it?
Thank you.
Why'd you get up? You got up. So you're ready.
I want Max to do it.
Inhale. Hands up. Inhale, bend forward. After you've done this for a while, believe it or not, you'll be able to have your hands. You can stand up there.
Right on the back line, there was a huge one, like maybe 20 yards from the surface.
Big ones. So I'd probably run now to the edge, either
out to
before or
the
after the
edge,
crack.
yeah.
Yeah, because there's nothing coming. You always want to jump onto the back of the wave. There's a current that as soon as you duck dive and you lose your momentum, the water's pushing you that way. Yeah, look at the white water behind it. It's just following that line. You can see the sand and the brown in that white water.
The current.
Exactly. Now he's in that conveyor belt right now. He'll be a rider. Well, yeah. And he's not such a strong paddler either, Czech. So he'll be alright, bro. He'll duck under that one. As soon as he gets out that white water, if there was another set coming, I'd say he'd be fucked. But I think he'll be alright. Now check where his mate is and check where he is. Yeah. And that was the fact that that guy there had to duck dive one little wave, and that guy didn't have to duck dive. And the difference is like 80 meters. No, I reckon it's the timing. The problem is those rocks, bro. If you get washed down there, you either want to get in before you hit them, or you want to fucking go out wide and go around them. Anybody, yeah. If you get caught in there and get pushed onto those rocks, it's not a good idea.
Because my name has got a lot of vowels in it. It's actually a good meditation name also.
Yeah.
But or is almost like home. So. See how quick it works just like that?
Yeah.
Creates the energy.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning, everybody. The time is around 8 in the morning. What you can see behind me, 3 innocent Portuguese girls came all the way to enjoy the beach. What they didn't know, that Johannes is waiting for them.
Is it intense because you think it's going to explode at any moment?
I hope it will explode. Then it stops.
Good afternoon, everybody.
No, you can't push it every time. It's supposed to be... Hello, everybody. Living the dream in heaven. You can see everybody chilling around. This guy lost yesterday in a pool game, and now he owes me coconut. But he's a chicken. He doesn't bring me any coconut. Aye. Almost.
What's up? You need some filming?
Still filming, but you can cut. Huh?
I have to add you to my life story, man. My journey.
Me with the beaches.
Bobby!
But of course. But of course.
Wait, who's watching?
500,000 people.
Right now? Right now?
Eventually.